So, love brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is closed packed arrangement. It is the continuation of solid state. In that, coordination number 12. Coordination number can be defined as the number of inner, that is a nearest neighbor in the cubic system, that is a 12. Here 74 percentage occupied by the, that is a space occupied by the atom, and remaining 26 percentage are empty. Why? In BCC, that is a body center cubic not closed packed arrangement, it has coordination number 8 and 68 percentage space occupied by the atom, remaining 32 percentage are empty. That is a close packed arrangement. The closed packed arrangement, there are two types. First one is hexagonal closed packed arrangement, that is a AB arrangement. Another one, cubic closed packed arrangement, that is a CCP or HCP, not HCP, FCC. This one is a HCP. A, B arrangement. In HCP structure, each sphere has 3 sphere in the plane below the B. Here in the below the B there are 6 sphere. It has own axis. It is a coordination number 6. It's a coordination number 3. It's a coordination number 3. Totally coordination number of HCP is a 12. It is a coordination number of HCP equal to 12. This one most is a efficient or important packing arrangement. This pattern of sphere is repeated in the alternative layer. This structure known as HCP structure, that is nothing but hexagonal closed packed arrangement. Short arrangement of this atom found in many metal, example magnesium and zinc. Another one, cubic closed packed arrangement. Another name called as a ABC arrangement. There is a hexagonal is what space. In that is a 6 sphere arranging in the own axis. This is similar to this one here, C, B, that is a A. In the, this is known as cubic closed packed arrangement. In the cubic closed packed arrangement, each atom has the 3 sphere in the plane below the B. Is a B present and the below is what below the C. This a B A present in the below the is what B. Another one structure. That is a B, C arrangement. Another one is a C arrangement. In CCP structure, each sphere has 3 spheres in the plane below the B. Below the B, there are 6 spheres in one axis. It is a coordination number 6, it is a coordination number 3, it is a coordination number 3. Totally that is a coordination number of CCP equal to 12. In that, here, this pattern of the sphere alternatively arranged in the order. So most of the is what CCP arrangement, the sort arrangement of atom found in many metal. Best example, copper and silver. In that hexagonal closed packed arrangement, best example magnesium and zinc. In that is each sphere has 3 neighbors in the plane below the A. So coordination number, this is coordination number 6 because of 6 spheres present on the axis. 3 spheres in the plane above, that is a coordination number 3. 3 spheres present below in the line, this is a coordination number 3. Total coordination number 12. Example magnesium and zinc. In cubic closed packed arrangement, both structures are same in that each sphere has 3 nearest neighbor in the plane below the B. Is a B present below the C. Here in the A, there are 6 spheres arranged in the one axis. So coordination number 6, this is a coordination number 3, this is a coordination number 3. Total is a coordination number of CCP 12. The pattern of the sphere is repeated in alternative layer. This is known as cubic closed packed arrangement. The short arrangement of atom found in many metal. Best example copper and zinc. This type of sphere present in the 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional have to discuss next. Placing the second layer over the first layer. Here, trigonal planar. In that, in closed packed arrangement, the empty space known as void or interstitial. This can be explained in the 2-dimensional. Trigonal planar in 2-dimensional. In 3-dimensional, the closed packed pattern can be classified into 2 types. There are 2 types. First one, tetrahedral void. Second one, octahedral void. First one, octahedral void and tetrahedral void. Here is a tetrahedral void. Here, simple trigonal plane are surrounded by the 4 atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 atom. This one is a second layer present on the first layer in 3-dimensional space. Here, the number of tetrahedral void present in the cubic system. The number of tetrahedral voids in cubic unit. Generally, tetrahedral void present at a corner at the face. Formula, corner formula NC divided by 8, face formula NF divided by 2. In the cubic system, totally is 8 corner, contribution 1 by 8. In the cubic system, totally 6 faces is a contribution 1 by 2. That is 8 divided by 8. This is 6 faces, 6 divided by 2. That is 1 plus 3. That is 4. Here, 4 is nothing but number of atom per unit cell. What is the formula? The number of tetrahedral voids in the unit cell. Tetrahedral voids equal to 2 into n. Number of tetrahedral void in the unit cell formula 2 into n. Here n nothing but 4. So 2 into 4 8. This type of question may be asked the 1 mark. Totally in the cubic system, totally how many tetrahedral present? 8 tetrahedral present. This is a cubic system. Totally how many corner? 8 corner. Here 1 tetrahedral. Here 1 tetrahedral. Here 1 tetrahedral. Here 1 tetrahedral. This is a diagonal. Totally how many tetrahedral? 4 tetrahedral. Here 1. So here 1 tetrahedral. Another one is a tetrahedral. Here 1. Here 1 tetrahedral. Totally how many tetrahedral is what void present in the cubic system? Totally 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So totally is a 8 tetrahedral voids are present. Here is a tetrahedral void is a formula. The number of tetrahedral void in the unit cell is a 2 into n. N is nothing but 4. Totally is what 8. 8 tetrahedral void present in the cubic system. Another one, octahedral voids. In the structure, double triangular plane surrounded by the 6 sphere. So this nothing but octahedral voids. The octahedral voids present formula n, nothing but n. This octahedral present at edge and bodies under cubic. At edge, this a formula, edge formula, Ne divided by 4, Body formula NB divided by 1. Here contribution 4, here contribution 1. In the cubic system, totally 12 edges are present. 12 by 3 is a 1 by 1 is a 12 by 4 is 1 by 1, 3 plus 1, totally 4. So, the number of octagonal voids is nothing but n nothing but here 4. That is another one. Increasing order of void size. First one, trigonal planar. Another one, tetrahedral. Another one, octahedral. Here one more point, the number of void depends upon the closed packed arrangement. The closed packed arrangement can be generated by n. The number of octahedral voids is also n. And the number of tetrahedral voids is also 2n. These are the importance in the cubic closed packed arrangement in 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. This one is a 2-dimensional, these two are 3-dimensional. Another one is a packing fraction. That is a PF. What is the meaning for packing fraction? Space occupied by the atom in the unit cell. Here, cubic closed packed arrangement depends upon the face center cubic in the unit cell. That is a calculation of packing fraction in FCC unit cell. FCC nothing but CCP. CCP means cubic closed packed system. FCC means face center cubic. Both are same. This nothing but R, these are 2R, this one is R. This explained by the distance A. This distance also A. That is a bond angle, that is a angle AB, this one is a C. According to the Pythagoras theorem, that is a delta ABC, that is a AC square equal to AB square and BC square. That is a AC nothing but square root of AB square BC square. AC, here AC totally 4R. 4R square root of AB nothing but A. So A square plus A square, this nothing but square root of 2A square. So 4R should be equal to root 2A. So R equal to root 2A divided by 4. This is known as a radius of FCC arrangement unit cell, that is R is equal to root 2A divided by 4. Next, formula for the packing fraction. Here volume occupied by effective atom by volume of the unit cell. Or packing efficiency, the nothing but percentage of space occupied by atom, that is Z EF into volume of atom by volume of unit cell into 100. ZEF nothing but total number of atom per unit cell. In FCC arrangement, total number of atom 4. Volume of the atom formula 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of the unit cell A cube into 100. What is R? R nothing but root 2 A by 4. This one already derived from the is a packing fraction structure. 4 into 4 by 3 pi. This R nothing but root 2A by 4, that is 2 root 2 A cube 4 into 4 into 4. Here 4 cancel, 2 cancel, root 2 nothing but, so root 2 A cube cancel. So what about remaining? Pi divided by 3 root 2 into 100. What is the pi value? 3.14. So 3 root 2 value 1.414 into 100. This is nothing but 314. So multiply 2. This is 4.242. This is equal to 74%. PF nothing but packing fraction should be equal to 74% space occupied by the atom, remaining empty. Empty nothing but 26%. Here packing fraction nothing but space occupied by the atom in the unit cell. Here cubic closed packed arrangement depends upon the face center cubic unit cell. There is in the face center cubic totally is a 4 number of atom present in the unit cell. Formula packing fraction should be equal to volume occupied by the effective atom divided by volume of the unit cell. That is a percentage space occupied by the atom. Finally is a packing fraction 74%, remaining empty 26%. Next one, radius ratio. It is used for determination of structure of ionic crystal. This based on the stoichiometric and the size of the ions. In general, ionic crystals are larger anion present in the cubic closed packed arrangement, smaller cation present in the void. The ratio of radius of cation and radius of anion nothing but radius ratio. Formula radius of cation, that is RC, divided by radius of anion, That is a Ra. Radius of cation and radius of ion. This formula it is easy to determination of structure and of ionic crystal and stoichiometric and size of the ions. By using radius ratio, there are different type of question may be asked in the NEET and theory. First one, radius ratio formula, that is a R C R A. Next, coordination number. Another one is structure. Next, example. That is a radius ratio less than 0.155. Another ratio 0.155 to 0.225. 0.225, that is to 0.432. 0.432 to 0.732. 0.732 to 1.0. Finally 1. Less than 0.115, this coordination number 2, coordination number 3, coordination number 4, coordination number 6, coordination number 8, coordination number 12. Coordination number can be defined as the number of nearest neighbor atom present in the unit cell. Coordination number 2 means what about structure? Linear. 3 means trigonal planar. Coordination number 2, there is no example. Coordination number 3, example B2O3. Another one is a 4, tetrahedral. Example, zinc sulfide, mercury sulfide, calcium sulfide, CuCl, CuBr, CuI. These all are example for tetrahedral. This is coordination number 4:4. Another one range 0.432, 0.732, coordination number 6. This is nothing but octahedral. Example, NaCl, NaBr, KBr, MgO, MnO, CaS, last one CaO. These all are example for the octahedral. Octahedral coordination number 6 is a radius ratio 0.432, 0.732. Another one 0.732 to 1, coordination number 8. This nothing but cubic. Cubic example CaCl, CsBr, TlBr, ammonium, that is a bromide, CSI. These all are example for coordination number 8. This nothing but cubic. Another one is a coordination number 12. This nothing but CCP or HCP. There is no examples. These are the radius ratio. Radius ratio nothing but it is easy to determination of structure of ionic crystal. This based on the stoichiometric and the size of the ions. Generally, ionic crystal is what depends upon the larger anion present in the cubic closed packed arrangement, smaller cation present in the void. The ratio of radius of cation and radius of anion nothing but radius ratio. These are the range, this is a coordination number, this is a stretcher, this one is example. This type of question may be asked in the both NEET and theory. Let us recap the closed packed arrangement. In the closed packed arrangement, coordination number is 12, 74% space occupied by the atom, remaining 26% is empty. While in BCC, not a closed packed arrangement, it has coordination number 8 and 68% space occupied by the atom, remaining 32% is empty. Another one, these are classified two types, hexagonal closed packed arrangement, that is ABA and ABA arrangement. Another one, cubic closed packed arrangement, this nothing but ABC arrangement. Both are same coordination number, that is a coordination number is 12. Another one, this space of arrangement present both 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. In the 2-dimensional, it form the trigonal planar, and 3-dimensional, it form the two types of void. First one tetrahedral void, another one is octahedral voids. Total number of tetrahedral void 8, total number of octahedral void 4. The increasing order of void size, tetrahedral void less than is a octahedral void. Before is a trigonal planar. The number of voids depends upon the number of closed packed arrangement. Number of closed packed arrangement depends upon the octahedral void. Octahedral void generated by n, tetrahedral void generated by is a 2n. Another one, packing fraction. Packing fraction is what explained by the space occupied by the atom. That is a formula. Volume occupied by the effective atom divided by volume of the unit cell into 100 is a total percentage 74%. Another one is a radius ratio. These are the radius ratio. This type of question may be asked in the 1 mark, both theory and NEET. How to practice all the type of void and closed packed arrangement and get highest mark. Good luck.